heart in me. Oh God, oh God, great clean heart in me. Oh God, oh God, have mercy on me, oh God, in your goodness, in the greatness of your compassion, wipe out my offense, truly wash me from my guilt, and of my sin cleanse me. Create a clean heart in me. Oh God, oh God, a clean heart create for me. Oh God, and a steadfast spirit renew within me. Cast me not out from your presence, and your Holy Spirit take not from me. Create a clean heart in me. Oh God, oh God, give me back the joy of your salvation, and a willing spirit still in me. I will teach transgressors your ways, and sinners shall return